Distinguished President of the Hamad Foundation, Ms. Sadia Rashid, esteemed authorities, participants, students from Hamad Public Health School, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you. Salam alaikum. First of all, thank you for opportunity to convey a message in name of the World Health Organization, the WHO, and our regional director, Dr. Hamid Baki, during this International Child Health Conference, coincident with the celebration of the World Health Day. Our children are the future, therefore the health of Pakistan, the future of the world. Tomorrow on 7th April, we will celebrate World Health Day to mark founding of the World Health Organization, WHO, in 1948, of which Pakistan is a founding member. WHO is the United Nations science-based agency that connects nations, partners, people to promote global health, to keep world safe, and save vulnerable using science, evidence, and innovation. This year, the theme of World Health Day focus importance medical science, and the theme Together for Health, Stand with Science. Ladies and gentlemen, through human history, medical science has protected and saved millions of lives. Let us underline a few examples. Thanks for medical science, vaccine are today one of the humanity's greatest achievements. Our last 50 years, vaccine saved over 150 million lives. In Pakistan, expanded program on immunization reach a life-saving vaccine for 7 million children annually and protect 5.5 million women of childborn age. Thanks for polio vaccine, more than 20 million people are able to walk today who would otherwise have been paralyzed. Our past 30 years, Pakistan has reduced polio cases by 99.8%. Today, those with eyesight issue, like me, can wear glasses to see and read without problem. Medical science makes it possible. Thanks for medical science, we found a cure for tuberculosis. Our last 25 years, the global effort to combat tuberculosis have saved 83 million lives. In Pakistan, our last decade, in partner with WHO, Pakistan has provided diagnosis and life-saving treatment services to our 5 million people affected by tuberculosis. Today, thanks to anesthesia, surgery no longer means enduring unimaginable pain. Science makes it possible. In Pakistan, thanks to medical science, every year, WHO partners with the Ministry of Health to provide life-saving treatment for 70,000 children affected by severe acute malnutrition with medical complication. Thanks for medical science, in 2024, WHO validated the elimination of trachoma as public health problem in Pakistan, winning battle against a disease that results in irreversible blindness if left untreated. Thanks for medical science, today malaria can be treated, and for the first time, anti-malaria is within reach. Today, doctor can say inside your body without even a cut, with technology such as X-ray, CT scan, MRI, and ultrasound. Science makes it possible. Thanks to science, Telemedicine brings doctors to place they couldn't reach before. Wearable like smart watches can track what in your body and tell us. AI is shrinking drug discovery timeline from decades to years. Science is making healthcare more accessible. Ladies and gentlemen, medical science is accomplished all us in our daily life. It is our present and our future. And in the future, in the hand of the children that accompany us today, dear children, your health is one of the most precious gifts you have. Health is your right, no matter where you live, who you are, to enjoy a happy life. Always remember to take care of your health and the health of others. You are the future of the world. We count on all you to stand with science and to continue to build a better and a healthy world for all. Without further preliminary, let me wish you fruitful events and discussion. I thank you once again for your dedication to build a healthy future for all, for standing with science. Shukriya and thank you.